Is IT a cost or an investment for your company? No business owner wants to spend for something that doesn't provide good return on investment or ROI. In this video, we'll break down whether your IT as it stands is a cost or an investment and share how you can make the most out of your IT. Hi, I'm Rick from the Managed Technology Channel. In our years of handling technology, we've seen how IT can be perceived as both a cost or an investment. Poorly managed IT drains your resources, while optimized IT can deliver unprecedented cost efficiency and help you achieve your business goals. So in this video, we'll help you determine whether your company's IT is a cost or an investment. When is your IT considered a cost to your business? Your IT is a cost to your business when, number one, you experience frequent downtimes. Downtimes and maintenance issues prevent you from maximizing your technology. If you experience it frequently, that will add up in the long run. That's unproductive time that your team could be spending helping you achieve your company's goals. Number two, you're still running outdated systems. Outdated systems like old hardware, servers, or end-of-life operating systems require more money to keep running than newer ones. Not to mention, they typically lack the upgrades that can improve your team's productivity. If you are still using outdated systems, you could be sinking more resources than what you're getting in return. And number three, your IT team is stretched too thin. If your IT team is too busy putting out fires, they don't have enough bandwidth to help you innovate and advance your technology. Likewise, if they're too busy handling bigger projects, they don't have the time to handle day-to-day IT tasks, causing frequent downtimes and issues. In both scenarios, you will not get the most out of your technology. When is IT considered an investment to your business? Your IT is an investment to your business when, number one, your IT saves you time and money. Well-managed IT can improve your team's productivity and efficiency, which translates to time and money savings. Number two, your IT helps your team collaborate and communicate better. Your technology can enhance communication and collaboration with your employees, customers, partners, and suppliers, making your business more responsive and agile. Number three, your IT helps you make better business decisions. IT processes like data analytics will enable you to collect, analyze, and use data to make better business decisions and optimize your processes. And number four, your IT boosts profitability and revenue. Your technology helps enhance quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction for your business, which can translate into improved profitability and revenue. Investing in IT is essential to stay competitive in almost any industry you're in. The only problem is that if it's not giving you the returns for your investment, it's going to slowly drain your resources. To make the most out of your IT, be sure to download our free ebook that goes over the fundamental IT checklist for small and medium-sized businesses. As always, I'm Rick from the Managed Technology Channel. If this video helped you out today, please like it and subscribe to our channel so we can grow and help other business tech users like yourself. If there's something on this channel that you'd like to see, comment down below. See you next time.